Welcome to a brand new vlog, a brand new week. I am going to be doing something pretty exciting that I'm going to share with you guys in this vlog. We are going to head into the Uber and yeah, get this day started. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Cutie patootie today. I'm so excited. Man, I really miss my old camera, man. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. See, it would have focused immediately. You're noticing all the little... Ooh. This looks great. Thank you so much. Oh, such a clean backdrop. It's not a gangster lean, but it's okay. I'm gonna put on this face mask and I'm gonna update you guys on what happened with my camera. This is by Ole Henriksen and this is their Dutopia face mask. I haven't been consistent on this face mask because it's a nighttime face mask and I always forget, and then I just do my regular nighttime routine and go to bed. But I'm going to edit this vlog, so I figured let me put on a face mask and then a hair mask. I just washed out my hair and I just felt like, you know, I'll just cut up some fruits, make a snack, probably make a tea and edit this vlog. But let me tell you, my vlogging camera broke. This is my backup vlogging camera, but my main one shattered. Actually, okay, shattered isn't like the best way to describe it because the screen, everything looks like it's intact, but it's the bottom tray that cracked. It fell off of my tripod, actually this tripod in fact, and I was devastated. I didn't know what to do. I was freaking out and I had somewhere to be, so I had to just thug it out and go to the event and deal with the problem at a later time. It's currently at the repair shop, so I'm waiting to hear back about the news, but it just, I don't know, it just, ooh. It was just one of those situations where you're just like, okay, I finally figured out like a flow, like a rhythm, and then something like that happens. Very unexpected, obviously, and unfortunate. But I felt bad because a lot of people, especially on Instagram and TikTok, ask about like the quality of equipment that I use and stuff like that, because I'm trying to play around with other cameras and gadgets that I have and not only stick to my phone. I use my phone often, even for campaigns and stuff like that, but if I have an opportunity to like, okay, well, I can just move things around in my filming room and create some content with my other cameras, then I do that. And then that week was like a big week of just kind of upgrading my content a little bit, and that happened, so I'm pretty sad about it, but hopefully the repair shop comes through and gives me a quote and we can get this done ASAP. But I'm very lucky and super grateful that I at least have like a backup. Like this camera I like to use for photography, but it's also the first camera I ever got from like starting YouTube and stuff like that, so it holds a very special place in my heart. If you're curious, the camera that I broke was the Sony ZV-1, and the camera that I'm using right now is the Canon G7X Mark II. So I'm just gonna let this do its thing. It's kind of cool. It's like purple and it changes color. It's like purple yellow. I'm gonna put on a hair mask. This is a hair mask that I've been using recently. It's pretty good. I like it. I'll link this in the description box below because they do sell this at Sephora, and we all know that Sephora sale is coming up, so I'll make sure I'll link that in the description box for you. I loved the feedback from the last vlog that I did. I've been really loving showing you guys pretty much a day-to-day of what it's like to be a full-time content creator. It's been challenging me to be more on top of my schedule more than ever. So you guys are really helping me out along this entire journey. I'm gonna be heading over to brunch. I haven't tried this spot before. It's called Passage, I think. It's on like the east side of the city, I want to say. It's like on Queen East, but I'm meeting up with my cousin. I'm really excited to go see her, and I think that's my Uber. One sec. Second time's two. Okay, so now is the time. Oh, let me adjust this camera. So I want to share some exciting news on March 7th. Okay, phone on do not disturb. So the news I'm really excited to share with you is I'm working with Holt Renfrew on March 7th. I'm gonna be hosting an event with them presented by Tom Ford. If you are in the Toronto area, I would love to meet you guys. I'll leave all the information in the description box below, but I'm super excited, I'm super pumped. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I just have you all to thank. Even if you're not in the Toronto area, showing up here, especially on this platform, something I'm super grateful for, especially because like I've only recently started getting super consistent on long form content on YouTube. And I know a lot of you guys have been super loyal. I've gotten your emails, I've gotten your messages, and they don't go unnoticed, and I really appreciate the support, especially over the years. And I am super excited for this opportunity, honestly, and whether you guys, again, are in the Toronto area or not, this wouldn't have happened without you. So this is a thank you for the consistent support. You guys showing up for me has been just an incredible experience. Doing this full time has its ebbs and flows for sure, but my goodness, you guys are incredible, and I couldn't ask for a better audience. So thank you so much. Again, I'll leave all the information in the description box below. And just on the topic of like creating content, I know a lot of you guys that have recently subscribed to my channel are inspiring content creators. And I just want to say, as much as you show up consistently for your favorite creators, make sure you're doing that for yourself. Make sure you're doing that for the same content that you're putting out. I hope you are still consistent on your journey of uploading, taking time aside to come up with ideas, edit. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I read through all the comments, but I will say in this space, there are ebbs and flows. For instance, a perfect example is the camera breaking. I didn't anticipate that happening, obviously, and I still don't have it, and I'm kind of like, even working with this camera, I'm just like, oh my God. But I didn't use it as an excuse not to show up week after week. If I didn't have this backup camera, I would have used my phone. So that's the message I just want to get across to those that are starting out or are thinking about doing content and being in this space, but feel like they need all the bells and whistles. You don't. Your camera can break like mine did. And with that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm gonna try my best to stretch out these vlogs a little bit longer because I feel like you guys are chilling, doing your laundry, cleaning, doing something to just kind of reset your week. And thank you so much for inviting me. But I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for the consistent support, and yeah, like I'm feeling overwhelmed and grateful, and I just want to say thank you.